Hi, welcome to Aimco Manufacturing. Here I'm going to show you an example of a magnetic end tool used to pick up 37-pound parts. This does have custom pull shoes on this, which can be changed out depending on which style parts you're lifting. You have a grip function. That'll turn the pop-up indicator on to show that the magnet is on. You've got your proof button and your release button. Indicator turns off, magnet is off. We also have our tilt button. You press that twice to tilt up. Press it once to tilt it back down. So once you align the jaws with the part, hit the grip button one time. With this handle being on the force sensing hub, you can raise it up and down very easily by pressing about 1 pound of weight anywhere on this handle. You tilt the part up. You can press the release button, you won't release the part. You do have to push the proof button and the release button at the same time, but again, you still can't release the part until the weight is actually set down. Set the weight of the part down, hit the proof button and the release button, and release the part. Well, thanks for watching. Please visit Aimco Manufacturing for more product videos.